So we're going to be trying a new product today. I got these off eBay called tire pens. Basically, I'm going to be taking the wired brush and I'm going to be cleaning out these grooves. I'm probably also going to do the lettering on my tire. And then you go ahead and you paint over it with this brush. So we're going to try it
follow no wind, getting deeper in the frame. I see your face, I feel the pain, but you chose the path I follow. I'm in love with the way that you hold me when I fall back down, and I'm in love with the words from your voice that put me off the ground now. Love's been a long time coming. My breath slows but my heart keeps running. I'm so fed up of the lies that my heart believed in, but staring deep into your eyes makes it all forgiven. I feel my comfort will be blown, my fears will grow out of control. Yeah, you still want the path I follow. Put me off the ground now. This love's been a long time coming. My breath stalls but my heart keeps running.
So you're going to want to make sure that if you're going to be doing this, that you have spools on your swing arm, as well as the whole bar in order to lift your bike, so that way the wheel will move freely. It'll make it a lot easier for you. As you can see, I'm ready for paint. You'll actually be able to see where you've gone the tire and cleaned it up. You'll basically use like moderate pressure. You want to basically be brushing your teeth. Don't be afraid to go over the tire for quite some time. As you can see, my tire looks fine. It's not going to wear through the rubber or anything, nothing harming the tire. But you want to make sure that you get all the dust and debris out of the grooves where you would like to mark the tire. Basically, my next step is to start painting the tire. As you can see, I've cleaned it off pretty well. So I'm going to shake this guy up, and then we're going to start painting. So my tip of the day is definitely get a cloth. It helps with all the excess that you know might miss, or maybe you'll just slip out of the tire groove and splash it somewhere. So I definitely recommend getting paper towel of some sort. You can see that there's quite a bit of black sticking through. Now what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to touch up after about 12 hours to let the paint dry. I'm definitely going to finish the tire, and then I'm going to let it sit for tomorrow, and then I'll pick this up from there. So I want to say that I've done everything I can to this tire. I was using it for a while and I thought it was going to run out. However, there was a little bit left, just enough that I could brighten up the right side as well as do the left. So I want to say it's pretty even. Show you really quick. Yeah, I mean it's not way too far off. I find this side's a little bit brighter just because there was a lot more paint coming out. But like I said before, it might not be a bad idea to use white and then red, and that should make it stand out a lot nicer. Or I did this on black, so. The lettering, I went over this side a few times. And this side was pretty good, so I just went over one more quick time to brighten it up. Anyways, I figure let's show you how it looks when it's running. I've never seen a vehicle with this kind of a tire on it before, with the treads painted and the lettering. So I think that's pretty nice. I think it goes well with the accents that I have already going on the bike. However, a lot more will be changing, and I'll have to keep going. But if I make another video in a while, I'll be reviewing how this stuff stayed on the tire.